2, 1. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Sniffle Souls. I do hope that you have enjoyed the week off, and I think I'm going to make this a short episode. I mean, my family members are here, so they don't know I'm recording, so they may come in. That might be awkward. Oh well. And I'm not sure where I'm going to go first. I think, though, what I'm going to try and do is rescue someone who I didn't rescue when I had the chance before. Which means... Actually, I'm just going to run there. And this is my first recording, officially, with the new mic. I'm going to probably have some problems working out new kinks and stuff. I may need to get a pop filter for it and everything, but at present, I don't believe I do, and yeah, all is well, and I hope that it turns out to, just do excellent audio, to go with my not too shabby video, and then all I need to do is work on my commentary and gameplay, because obviously I'm not the best at either of those things. Yeah, oh I missed. See what I mean? Not the best at the gameplay. At least that didn't really damage me much. But my poison resistance with this armor is not that great, is it? Now then. Gotta rescue a person. What else do I need to do? Not sure. Because I'm fairly certain I've killed Havel. I've got the ring. Killed the Capra Demon. Killed the Gaping Vagina. Oh, I know, I can go kill a couple of Black Knights, I suppose, this episode. Keep it short, and hopefully achieve something. Although I might fail at killing the Black Knights, you never know. Hello. Hello. And hello. This is quite the corpse party. Isn't that a band? I'm fairly certain that's a band. Or a song. One or the other. Doo-doo-doo. Oh yeah, sorry about my voice being a bit croaky. I haven't actually got out of my room yet today. So I haven't had a chance to, brush my teeth and stuff, so my mouth feels gross. And I haven't had breakfast or anything. And the only thing I've had to drink was the lemonade that was in my room. And that's not exactly the most hydrating, for your throat kind of drinks in the world. So, it's not going to be, me at my vocal best, but oh well. Hello there. How you doing? I can't actually reach you with anything, but if I come over here, there we go. Hello, other butcher. I'm just going to tank you because I can. Whee! Now I'll come over here and save this guy.
You! Yes, you!
Hello.
Please, you must help me.
Don't worry. I meant to save you before, but it's just
been eaten alive.
too
Thank
difficult.
you. I am Laurentius. I will not forget my debt to you.
Cool. I'll meet you back at Firelink then. But not right now. Hopefully I'll remember to later, but can't do it right now. Now then, where's the nearest bonfire to this place, or do I have any homeward bones? No, I do not. Okay. I should probably get some. Oh well. I'll be okay. I know where the nearest bonfire is, and it means coming through here. I don't like that thing. Press buttons until it gets off. Because there's no way to get that item without getting hit by this. That's what I don't like. Unless there is, other than killing it, from the floor with magic or arrows first. Hello. Hey, don't you be mean to me, fool. Buckaroo. Okay. Now, if I remember correctly, don't want to spend too long in this alley. Yeah, I just want to get round to the other side as fast as I can. Boom. That was cool. Happy with that. Run over here. And warp. No, not Kendall. My bad. Warp. To... Where do I need to go? I said I was going to kill some Black Knights, so... Under the bridge, but where's the under the bridge? Oh well, I'll just go to the Undead Parish. No. Yes? No? I don't know. Orlando is the one with the Firekeeper. Obviously Firelink Shrine. Sunlight Altar is... Oh yes, I'll go to the Sunlight Altar. That's close enough. I've got 16k souls. I wonder if I can do anything with that before I probably get murdered by a couple Black Knights. Oh no, I can't kill one of the Black Knights because I already killed it. That's why I'm using its sword. Oh man, I'm hungry. Oh well. Claymore. Hello there, matey. How ya doing? You alright, bruvs? Yeah? Cool. Good to see you. Thanks for all of the drops. And see if I can level up. I can. I'm gonna get a fight because I don't like it being on 19. Okay. Now then, come over here. Slice them. Now then. The time has come. Hey bro, how you doing? You alright? Well, that was easy. I feel like I should do something else in this episode now due to the fact that that was so easy. Problematic is that I don't know what else to do. I mean, I suppose I can warp elsewhere. And then... I guess... have a little look at what I can do. Lantern, attack type strike, weapon type lantern, yeah. I am really hungry, yeah. I think I'm gonna have porridge for breakfast. Yeah. Oh, sorry if you just heard my belly growl. I told you I was hungry. Hello.
Are you prepared to then, if you need...
I'd like to purchase an item. No? Okay.
There is no time for idle chat.
I'll enter the Covenant. Yes. Cool. Thanks, bro. Can you? No. I don't have one. Okay. Thanks anyway.
You...
Can I get better stuff now? No? Do I need to offer a humanity? I don't want to offer a humanity, but in order to open the door, I believe I need to. This is gonna be... Ugh. Oh well. Is it down here? Yeah. Run, Forrest, run. Yeah. Sorry for the cough. Now I need to rest over here. Like so. Then I'll leave all these egghead peoples. Now that I already got killed by douchebag McGee over there. And in order to get to the ruins, I need to kill douchebag McGee over there, I believe. Yeah, because otherwise it's just going to be lava everywhere. Now roll wall isn't fast. That's probably not good. I guess I'll try to kill the douchebag McGee again then. Unless there's a way to get down there without killing him. There probably is that speedrunners have used. I don't know. I'll have a look. See if it looks like there's a way I can get down there without dying. Maybe, but I don't want to try it, just in case. I mean, I don't have much to lose, but I am a human, so there is that. Okay then, Ceaseless. Where are you? Where are you, bro? Oh, you're over there, are you? Hello. How you doing? Hello. How you doing? You okay? Man, you have a lot of health and you can one-shot me. I'm not happy with this outcome. Ouch. You shouldn't be able to do that, man. That's just unfair. Just straight up unfair. Can I hide behind a pillar? No. I mean, I can, but it doesn't really help. Drink and block. Oh, that didn't really do anything for me. Oh my god. Can I hide here? No. Get one swipe off and a couple heals in. If I run away a bit more. How about now? No. Oh my lord. Really need to figure out the cheese again. Uh-oh. This could be the death of me. Not quite, but very nearly. Great. Down to my last flask. Ow. Literally just got knocked into the wall. Okay. I'm dead. I'm dead. Right then. I guess that'll do. And we now know what I need to do for my next episode. I need to kill this douche. I'm probably going to look up how to cheese it. Just because you can. And yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go have breakfast. Thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you in the next. And so I will say, I'll see you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.